The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue a special military operation in the Krasny Liman direction. The attacks launched by ground assault and dummy aviation, as well as artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center Group of Forces, have resulted in the neutralization of the enemy units near Terny, Torskoye, Grigorovka of Donetsk People's Republic, Chervonaya Dibrova, and Nevskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy losses were over 235 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 4 pickup trucks, 1 D-20 howitzer, 2 Akatsiya and Gvozdika self-propelled artillery systems, as well as 1 US-made M777 artillery system. In total, 401 airplanes, 221 helicopters, 3,425 unmanned aerial vehicles, 412 air defense missile systems, 8,303 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,059 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,363 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,953 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Тисячі і тисячі наших людей стають на захист.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.